What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on UMA, which has gone through quite of a pump earlier this morning. As you guys can see, it is up over 36% in the last 24 hours, with a major pump earlier on yesterday afternoon. Took a little bit of a dip, and right now slowly starting to pump up again, currently valued at $3.50. So we're going to be going through what is next for UMA. Is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from the crypto? And is there crypto to be investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we have officially broken out into the blue zone earlier on yesterday. Took a little dip back down into the dark green zone, so we are effectively trading in the dark green zone right now. So it should either pump up a little bit higher or drop back down into the green zone here, which I will be going through later on. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of UMA, which is here in purple at $2.86, and the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. Yes, it does look like they are going in a straight line. However, if you look close enough, we can see they are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from UMA over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is it did go through quite a pump earlier on yesterday afternoon, took a dip back down, slowly pumping up right now, but it is likely to hit more red candles over the next, later on this evening, potentially dropping down to $3.20. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting UMA to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we got again the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from UMA over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end of next week, the crypto should be trading again at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, it's not going to be a major crash or a drop or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value, potentially down to just over $3 in value is where I'm expecting UMA to be trading at by mid next week. Reason being is the crypto market is currently going through a little bit of a dip, with Bitcoin dropping down once again to $60,000, which is not looking too great. So I'm expecting more red days to come up, not just for UMA but the crypto market in general. So essentially, guys, I'm expecting more red days. Again, don't get me wrong, we are also likely to see the odd green days in between, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit bullish. However, the blue line is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from UMA over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So early to mid July 2024, UMA should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes, I'm expecting it to head around the $5 mark is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Again, not just UMA, but I'm expecting the crypto market to be hitting the green candles over the coming weeks, with Bitcoin potentially hitting a new all-time high is what I'm expecting, which this should then have a positive impact on the crypto market overall. But yes, at the moment I'm expecting UMA to be heading over the $5 mark by July is what my expectations are at the moment. But again, if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the dark green zone, and I'm expecting the crypto to be dropping back down into the green zone here over the coming week or so, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, and potentially breaking back into the dark green zone by late May, and into June, July we should be seeing it head into the blue and dark green, blue zone and the top tier level here by late July is what I'm expecting at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up absolutely crazy, over 3,400%, making it over $293 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious: the crypto has pumped up like crazy yesterday afternoon, evening, which has caused a lot more people to trade the crypto. After that, it did take a little bit of a dip, and right now fluctuating around $3.40-50, meaning there's still a lot more people trading the crypto. So yes, it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of UMA pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on UMA, guys. Can this crypto essentially hit the $10 mark by the end of the year? Personally, $10 is pushing it a little bit. Reason being is it's going to require a major increase in value for it to hit $10, which I'm not expecting at the moment. However, over the next 12 to 18 months, so next mid to end of next year, we may be able to see the $10 mark for UMA. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting UMA to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.